Okay, we're going to service this magnetic filter. First thing, turn the power off to the unit. And then you have two isolation above and below. Close them. Get yourself some blue roll. Loosen the cap. Unscrew it. There's a magnet to be removed in the filter. And then you can clean the stem. And then inside we have a holder. And then inside of here, a mesh screen that you can go clean. Reassemble it in the way you took it apart. When you go to put it back in, make sure the port lines up with the filter. Put your cap back on. Tighten your cap back on. Open your isolations. Then monitor it for a couple of minutes. Make sure there's no weeps or leaks. And that's how you service one of those.